Want to add some fun to your backyard? An outdoor chair swing is the perfect touch. Imagine yourself gently swaying in the breeze, a cool drink in hand. It's a great place to relax, read a book, or just enjoy the view. The best part? You can build it yourself. Don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. This project is easier than you think. With a little time and effort, you'll have a beautiful swing to enjoy for years to come. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment knowing you built it with your own two hands. So, are you ready to get started? Let's gather our materials. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need. Preparation is key to any successful project, and having all your supplies ready will save you time and effort down the line. Having all the materials ready will make the building process much smoother. It allows you to focus on the task at hand without unnecessary interruptions. Here's a list to get you started. A well-organized checklist ensures you won't miss any crucial items. You'll need pressure-treated lumber for this project. This type of wood is specially treated to resist moisture and insects, making it ideal for outdoor use. It resists moisture and insects, perfect for outdoors. This ensures the longevity and durability of your project, even in harsh weather conditions. Get 4 8-foot-long 2x4s, 4 8-foot-long 2x6s, and 1 4-foot-long 2x4. These will form the main structure of your project. Make sure to measure and mark your wood accurately. Precision is crucial for a sturdy and well-balanced structure. Pick up some 3-inch deck screws. These screws are designed to hold your pieces together securely. You'll also need 5/16" by 5-inch lag screws with washers. These provide additional strength and stability to your structure. And don't forget eye bolts with nuts that match the lag screw size. These will be essential for attaching any moving parts securely. Choose a sturdy chain or rope that can support the weight of the swing and anyone who will be using it. Safety is paramount, so ensure the chain or rope is rated for the appropriate weight. You'll need a saw and a drill. These tools are essential for cutting and assembling your materials. Additionally, have a tape measure, level, safety glasses, and work gloves on hand. These tools ensure your measurements are accurate and you stay safe while working. Having the right tools will make this project a breeze. Proper tools not only make the job easier but also ensure a professional finish. Now that we have our materials and tools, let's move on to the next step, measuring and cutting the wood. This is where the project starts to take shape, so take your time and ensure everything is precise. Accurate measurements are crucial for a sturdy and well-built swing. The foundation of any successful woodworking project lies in the precision of your measurements. A small error can lead to a significant problem down the line, potentially compromising the integrity of the entire structure. Remember the old saying, measure twice, cut once. This timeless advice is especially important when working with wood, as it ensures that each piece fits perfectly into the overall design. Taking the time to double-check your measurements can save you from costly mistakes and wasted materials. Using your tape measure and pencil, mark the wood according to the following cuts. It's essential to be as precise as possible when marking your wood. A clear, accurate mark will guide your saw and help you make clean, straight cuts. Cut 2 pieces of 2x4 lumber to 28 inches each. These pieces will form part of the main frame of the swing, providing the necessary support and stability. Cut 2 more pieces of 2x4 lumber to 16 inches each. These shorter pieces will be used to connect the longer frame pieces, adding strength and rigidity to the structure. For the seat slats, cut 5 pieces of 2x6 lumber to 24 inches each. These slats will form the seating area of the swing, providing a comfortable and sturdy surface to sit on. For the swing arms, cut 2 pieces of 2x6 lumber to 36 inches each. These arms will support the seat and connect it to the frame, allowing the swing to move smoothly. For the swing back, cut 2 pieces of 2x4 lumber to 38 inches each and 2 pieces to 15 inches each. These pieces will form the backrest of the swing, providing support and comfort for your back. For the back slats, cut 4 pieces of 2x6 lumber to 18 inches each. These slats will be attached to the backrest frame, creating a comfortable and supportive surface to lean against. Double-check your measurements before making any cuts. This final check ensures that all your pieces are the correct size and will fit together perfectly when you start assembling the swing. Now that our wood is cut, we can start building the frame. With all the pieces accurately measured and cut, the next step is to assemble them into a sturdy and functional swing. This is where your careful preparation and precise measurements will pay off, resulting in a beautiful and durable finished product. Now the fun begins. Let's start by building the seat frame. Lay the 28-inch pieces of 2x4 lumber parallel to each other, about 16 inches apart. These are the sides of your seat frame. Attach the 16-inch pieces between the 28-inch pieces to form a rectangular frame. Use 2 deck screws at each corner to secure the pieces together. Next, we'll add the seat slats. Place the 24-inch pieces of 2x6 lumber evenly across the seat frame, securing them with 2 deck screws on each end. With the seat frame complete, we can move on to the swing arms and backrest in the next section. Section 5. Securing the Seat of Tranquility. In this section, we will guide you through the process of assembling and securing your swing seat, ensuring it is both sturdy and comfortable for those peaceful moments in your garden. Now let's assemble the swing arms. This is a crucial step, as the arms will provide the main support for the swing seat, ensuring it can hold weight and remain stable during use. Take the 2 36-inch pieces of 2x6 lumber and position them upright on either side of the seat frame. These pieces will act as the vertical supports for the swing, so make sure they are perfectly aligned. They should be flush with the outside edge of the seat frame's short sides. This alignment is important for the overall balance and aesthetics of the swing. Using 2 lag screws at the top and bottom, firmly attach each arm to the seat frame. The lag screws will provide the necessary strength to hold the swing arms in place, ensuring they do not wobble or come loose over time. Ensure the lag screws are long enough to go through the 2x6 and into the 2x4 of the seat frame. This will provide a secure connection that can withstand the weight and movement of the swing. Next, we'll build the backrest. The backrest will add comfort and support, making your swing a perfect spot for relaxation. Assemble the back frame by attaching the 15-inch pieces of 2x4 between the 38-inch pieces, similar to how you built the seat frame. This will create a sturdy frame that can support the back slats. Attach the back slats to the frame, spacing them evenly like you did with the seat slats. Even spacing ensures a uniform look and provides consistent support across the backrest. Secure the backrest to the swing arms using 2 lag screws on each side. This will firmly attach the backrest, making sure it stays in place even with regular use. The bottom of the backrest should align with the top of the seat frame. Proper alignment is key to ensuring the swing is comfortable and looks professionally made. Now that you have a sturdy and comfortable seat, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Take a moment to sit and test the swing, ensuring it feels secure and comfortable. Finally, let's move on to hanging your swing. Choose a strong support, such as a tree branch or a dedicated swing frame, and make sure it can handle the weight and movement of the swing. Securely attach the swing to the support, and you're ready to enjoy your new tranquil spot. Section 6. Hanging your swing with confidence. Hanging the swing securely is crucial for safety. Follow these steps carefully. First, choose a sturdy hanging point. This could be a strong tree branch or a beam on a porch. Make sure it can support the weight of the swing and its occupants. Next, install eye bolts. Drill pilot holes and install eye bolts into the underside of your chosen hanging point. Then attach chains or ropes. Connect the chains or ropes to the eye bolts on the hanging point and to the eye bolts on the swing arms. Use sturdy carabiners or shackles for easy connection and disconnection. Remember, safety is paramount. Double-check all connections and ensure the swing hangs level and secure. Section 7. Adding flair and finishing touches. Your swing is almost ready. Now's the time to add some personal touches. First, sanding. Smooth out any rough edges with sandpaper for a polished look. Next, painting or staining. Choose your favorite colors to personalize your swing. Apply a weather-resistant paint or stain to protect the wood. Then, adding cushions. Make your swing extra comfy with plush cushions and pillows. Choose weather-resistant fabrics for outdoor use. Get creative and make your swing your own. Add decorative elements, planters, or even string lights for a touch of whimsy. Section 8. Swing safety and maintenance. Before you climb aboard, let's talk about safety and maintenance. First, regular inspections. Check the swing regularly for any loose screws, wear and tear on the chains or ropes, or signs of wood rot. Next, weight limits. Be mindful of the swing's weight capacity and avoid overloading it. Then, safe swinging. Swing gently and avoid excessive swinging that could put stress on the hanging points. By following these tips, you can ensure your swing remains safe and enjoyable for years to come. Section 9. Enjoying your handcrafted haven. Congratulations, you've successfully built your very own outdoor chair swing. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whether you're reading a book, sipping lemonade, or simply enjoying the fresh air, your handmade swing will become a cherished spot for relaxation and enjoyment. You did it.